Well, most parents wouldn't think to let their child miss a visit to the dentist, but many of them end up skipping their own checkups.
And it is not just those with kids. Many young people are doing this for years, creating a costly health problem. News 3's David Douglas is here with the story tonight.
Well, I canceled a cleaning during the budget repair protest and haven't been back, so maybe I should listen to this story. Dentists like to say, stay away, get decay. Turns out it's especially true for Generation Y, who, unlike any other age group, just don't go. An NIH study finds nationwide more than 50% of 20 to 34-year-olds haven't been to the dentist in more than a year.
Monika Gakowska never liked the dentist. Staying away was peace of mind until she had a checkup.
I found out that I have a very advanced gum disease, so I have to come frequently for cleaning.
A discovery she never felt coming.
I was very surprised because I thought, well, there's something wrong with my teeth. It doesn't hurt, so why do I have it? And I was scared.
That's a real common misnomer that if there's no pain, things are fine. Looks like 31 is eventually gonna be ready for a crown. It's got a really big filling, but it looks like it's hanging in there.
Dr. Joe Sharkus of First Choice Dental in Madison says patients between 20 and 34 make up the biggest portion of his practice who don't routinely seek dental care.
People that come in on a regular basis overall will spend much less in the long run than the people who come in when they're having a problem.
I know that the work that I got done probably when insurance and everything was all said and done was to the tune of 15 grand.
Carl Detman says he just got lazy about seeing his dentist, and like Gakowska, had no idea he had anything to worry about. 5 crowns and other fixes later, it cost more than money.
I pretty much was at the dentist every single week for 6 months to get all of the work done.
A message Dr. Sharkus hopes more young people will hear and make seeing the dentist a priority.
We make time for haircuts and those sorts of things, and this is probably much more important.
It's just a pleasure to come.
Well, that went very well. We're all finished.
So why aren't young people chomping at the bit to see the dentist? Many have a gap in insurance coverage after previously being under their parents' insurance umbrella. And here's an interesting note. Dentists say patients will self-diagnose using sites like WebMD and put off what turns out to actually be a problem. And I just got a tweet a few seconds before the show from Mr. Chris Lay. He says, I'm a 28-year-old, just went to the dentist for my first cleaning in 4 years this afternoon, 3 cavities. So it's not just the people in our story.
Kidding.
You better make that appointment, David.
Yeah.
I will.
Thank you, David.